In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to test WooCommerce checkout. By the end, you'll have your checkout configured and you'll know how to run a clean end-to-end test order to confirm everything works the way your customers will experience it. Start by opening your WordPress website and signing into your dashboard. From the left-hand menu, click WooCommerce to open the plugin's main area, then click Settings. Inside Settings, switch to the Payments tab. This is where all available payment methods are listed and controlled. You'll see options like card processors, PayPal-style services, or offline methods such as bank transfer or cash on delivery, depending on what's installed on your site. Click to set up your payment method. Choose the gateway you plan to use and open its setup screen. Here, you'll typically enter the required account credentials and adjust options like the title that appears at checkout. If your provider offers a test or sandbox mode, enable it now so you can simulate payments without charging real money. Many gateways provide test credentials and sample card data specifically for this purpose. Refer to your provider's documentation to copy the correct test values. If you're just checking the flow and don't need to simulate a live card, you can temporarily enable an offline method such as cash on delivery to verify the order process from start to finish without payment processing. Once that's saved, it's time to place a test order. Visit your store's front end, add any product to the cart, and proceed to checkout. Use clear, realistic billing and shipping details so you can confirm fields and email templates look right. Select the payment method you configured. If you enabled test mode with a gateway, use the provider's approved test details. If you chose an offline method, simply follow the on-screen prompts. Click Place Order and wait for the confirmation page. You should see an order received message with an order number. Check that the totals, taxes, and shipping look correct. As a final verification, open your WordPress dashboard and go to WooCommerce Orders to confirm the new order appears with the expected status. If your store sends order emails, check that you received them and that the content is formatted properly. If anything fails, revisit the Payments tab to correct credentials. Make sure test mode is on or off as intended and try again. A quick retest after each change helps isolate issues fast. That's it. Your WooCommerce checkout is tested and ready for real customers.